Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to appeal and get your suspended account reinstated. As you can see, it says 178 days left to appeal, or we will permanently disable your account. And so you may see maybe 180 days. Normally, they say 180 days. You are seeing 178 days here because it has been 2 days since they suspended it. But they could say they may say, or they can say 178 days left, 180 days left, 90 days, or whatever number of days they will give you. You will see it there. And then you see, they said this account is not visible to the public. What this means, your account is not visible to the to people on Facebook right now, and you cannot use it. And they will go further to say that what you can do, you have maybe whatever number of days that are left for you to appeal. We may need to collect some info from you that will help us review your account. Then your account, why this happened, your account or activity doesn't follow our terms. Then if you want to know more, you will click on read more. And then when you click on it, it brings you to this particular, what you can see on the screen here. They are to give you more details about why they disabled your account or they suspended your account. And normally, there are several reasons why they suspend your account. One of the reasons is that you probably violated their terms of service, or they will normally say you are spamming the system. And so what do they mean by you are spamming the system? Yeah, so one of the things that you may do that they will say you are spamming the system is to create multiple accounts. There are some of you have one account, then you go and create another account, a second or third account. That one will be what? A violation of the terms of service. It's part of spamming the system. You could be commenting too fast, or connecting or contacting so many people on Messenger, or all those things are against the policy, or you are liking so many things at the same time. So when you do that, they will say you are violating the terms of service. So when you see exactly that, what should you do? How do you resolve that? So you come back to the initial interface where it says we suspended your account. Then you scroll to the bottom, you will see appeal. So you go to the bottom and then you click on the appeal. When you appeal, when you are going to appeal, you also follow a lot of processes. So I will take you through all the step-by-step process of what you need to follow in order to appeal successfully. When you click on the appeal, they will first say they want to confirm that it is you. So whatever, you will be asked to confirm it is you or you are a human being. Then you put your phone number there. Then they will send you the code. After that, you put a code inside and they will confirm that it is you. Second, they will ask you to upload a photo of yourself. So get a very clear picture of yourself. Make sure the picture is in the form of a rectangle, okay? Or the aspect ratio should be 3:4. So you get a picture, something like this, that will fit in, and make sure it shows your face very well. So you click continue. Now, after you submit, this is what they will say. They will say you disagreed with our decision. And then they will tell you it normally takes about 24 hours for them to review it and get back to you. So what will happen is that if they reinstate the account, when you come and try to log in, it will log you in. That is what it will mean. When you try to log in after when they reinstate the account, when you try to log in, it will log you in successfully. So I'm going to show you the account has been reinstated, and I'm going to show you that reinstated account. Before I show you the reinstated account, let me just tell you this. The best thing when you are doing the appeal, sometimes they may ask you to submit your ID card, okay? They will want your ID card, apart from just submitting your picture to them. So in the case where they are submitting your ID card, they will look at the name and the birth date on your ID card and your gender. So because of that, the best thing I advise you to do is make sure that when you use your account, use your real name. When you are creating an account, make sure it is your real name. Because if it is not your real name, when they take your ID card, it will not be matching and you will be found wanting. I'm just talking in case where they will be asking of your ID card, because it's not all the time they may need your ID card. So this is the account. The account has been reinstated. As you can see, this is the account that they suspended earlier on. So if you follow this procedure, you will be able to get your account reinstated. If you follow it and you still haven't got a solution, leave your comments in the comment section, and you can Telegram link in the description of the video to contact us, and we will help you get a solution for your account. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video.